Hi, it's Vias Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay. Kung ano ating makita. Okay, so, yeah, syempre, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe. And yeah, don't forget na mag-follow rin sa atin pong second YouTube channel na Love Letter. And, meron po akong ipapa-follow. Kung po pwede lang po. Yung isang YouTube channel. Okay. Andyan din sa description box. Tungkol po yun sa mga animals. Oo. So, yeah, sa mga mahilig sa animals. Oo. Parang mga mga nire-rescue na mga animals. So, it's like AI. Parang ganyan. Anyway. So, yeah. Paki-follow na lang po. Nandyan uli sa description box below. Yung link. Thank you. And yeah, about sa ating mga items. Okay. All available. Yung ating love bracelet. Yung ating grantor necklace. Okay. Ito hindi kasama. So, si cord cutting. Yung ating love bracelet. So, yan siya. Yung ating grantor necklace. Si grantor po, made to order. Okay, made to order si grantor. So, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. And ito yung ating mga evil eye protection. So, yung ating necklace and yung ating dalawang sample ng bracelet. So, ito yung adjustable, ito yung garterized. Okay, so available yung adjustable sa red string. So, ito naman yung ating ring. This is adjustable, by the way. Okay, na-adjust siya. Nasisigipan, naluluwagan. Okay, so, wag nang mag-send. Oo, nothing to worry about sa mga sizes. Okay. So, let's start the reading. Air signs. Air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Anong kailangan malaman ng mga air signs? Let's see. Devil in reversed. Judgment. May magbabalik. Something na pwedeng ayaw mo. I don't know. This is toxic. Air sign. This is toxic. Pwedeng naalis ka na before. Pwedeng na-detach ka na, pero nandyan na naman, babalik na naman. I don't know kung ano to. Maybe a situation or a person. You need to cut this off. Okay? You have to cut this off. Pero some of you, ayaw mo i-cut off. Ayaw mo. Kung makikita natin, yung sword, hindi siya naka-up. Hindi siya naka-taas. Unlike sa usual na Queen of Swords na naka-ready. No? Pero sa ngayon, hindi eh. I don't know. Kung ano to. The star in reverse. I don't know. Some of you, hindi ka pa totally healed dun. So, siguro, something, energy from the past. Okay, ayokong tawag dyan, maging specific. I don't know. Pwedeng hindi tao. Pero the energy is like galing sa past. Okay, na medyo toxic. Na pwedeng makakasira sa kung ano man ang mga ginagawa mo sa ngayon. Okay. So, 3 of Cups. The Tower in reversed. Meron ditong energy about third party na sobrang hirap alisin. Somebody is cheating. I don't know who. I'm seeing here cheating, lies, deception na hindi maiwasan. Okay? With the water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. The Fool in reversed. I don't know kung ito talaga is sanay na mag-cheat. Parang ganyan. Okay? I'm sorry. Pero, yeah. Gawin yung gabay. The Knight of Pentacles. Dapat dito, tinuturuan na ng leksyon. Okay? Dapat tinuturuan na ng leksyon yan. The Eight of Swords. Kasi pwedeng hindi pa siya nakakita ng something from you. I don't know if you're silent. If you're not talking, you're not addressing the situation. No? So, maybe. Ngayon, kailangan na ng pagmamatigas dito. Air signs. Seven of Pentacles in reversed. The Ace of Pentacles. Investing, some of you. Okay. Money. Anong meron dyan? The Nine of Swords. Don't you worry, baby. Pagdating sa pera. Excuse me. Pagdating sa pera, don't you worry. Some of you, talagang dadaan lang tayo sa, sabihin nating medyo rocky, shaky. Pagdating sa pamemera, iba sa inyo, pwedeng ganun. Hindi okay. Hindi kagandahan ang nangyayari ngayon sa kaperahan. Pero actually, may nakita akong maganda rito. Okay? Yeah. So, yeah, there's ups and downs. Actually, normal lang yun. Ano tong Ace of Pentacles? Yeah, the Hierophant. And there's Six of Wands, that's victory. Okay, just be patient. Yeah, the Ten of Pentacles. Sa paganda to actually. Some of you, struggles, sabihin nating para lang magkaroon ng improvement actually. Para mag-grind ka pa. Okay, hindi sinasabi ditong sukuan mo eh. Kasi kapag sinukuan mo, kawawa, wala to. Parang ganyan, masasayang. So, kapag may challenge, mas galingan. Parang ganyan po. This is talking about pera. Okay, business. Parang ganyan. Pero, yeah. Promotion for some of you. Pero, siyempre, may kakahibat ng mga responsibilidad, no? So, there. Next. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sag. What's for you? Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Ten of Swords in reversed. Oh, this is healing. Energy of healing. Self-focus, self-love, self-care. Enough with the cycles, enough with the past. Yeah, the Two of Wands. Magkaroon kaya ng like opportunity pagdating sa sarili mo na i-open, no? Sa ibang mga energies. Parang ganyan. Huwag mong itali yung sarili mo sa past, mga ganyang bagay. Okay? So, Hierophant in reversed. The Three of Cups. So, anong meron dito? I'm seeing here third party na nangyari. Na pwedeng may nangyari ng separation. Yeah. Sino man to? This is karma. This is karma. Okay? Universe will let you know na itong taong to is getting their karma. Yeah. Universe will let you know. Hindi mo kailangan gumawa ng paraan para makita mo, para malaman mo. Okay? Pero, yeah. Good karma, bad karma. Yeah. So, what else? So, you have a stalker. You have a stalker. There is the Page of Swords in reversed. The Four of Wands in reversed. Somebody na pwedeng separate mo na. Okay? Hindi pa sila nagkakaroon ng magandang nangyayari sa buhay nila actually. Okay? Some of them, they're jealous. Be careful with them. Be careful. What's with the Four of Wands in reversed? Yeah, the Four of Swords. Some of you, you'll hear from them. Why? Para lang guluhin ka. Yeah, see? The Sun in reverse. Para guluhin ka. Yeah, the Five of Cups. I don't know. Toxic. Toxic yung energy. So, yeah, there. Next. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So, what's for you? Water signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yun pong dalawang YouTube channel na aking ipinopromote pa. Yes. Thank you for supporting. Okay. So, water signs. Ten of Wands. Responsibilities. Anong narinig ko? The Five of Cups. Meron din ditong energy about somebody na pwedeng hindi mo kausap ngayon. They're in pain. Like, they're blaming themselves. Pity. Self-pity. Yan, Two of Wands. Meron din ditong energy about somebody na pwedeng on a crossroads. Like, anong gagawin ko sa buhay ko? Sobrang hirap na ng aking mga dinadanas. Hindi ko na alam kung anong aking gagawin. Am I just wasting my time? Tama ba yung ruta na dinadaanan ko? Hirap na ako. Parang ganon. Justice. Justice will be served. So, siguro, yeah. May chance na magiging okay rin to. Kailangan lang talaga ng sipag, no? Kaso, madam, oo, 20 taon na akong nagsisipag. Wala pa rin. Kesa naman wala. Di po ba? Kesa naman wala kang ginawa. Just think of the positive side of the situation, not the negative ones. Okay? Kesa naman nakatunganga ka. Mas magandang nakilos. Di po ba? Yeah. Mas magandang nakilos kesa naasa ka lang. Mas nakakaawa yun. Okay? Anything, some of you, anything about legal matter, legal issues, may chance na mafi-fix. Kung ano man ang hinihiling, ang hinihingi, ang dapat, yun ang makukuha. King of Swords, at the Five of Wands. There's this conflict or drama. Okay. Ano tong King of Swords na to? With an Aquarius, maybe. What's with this King of Swords? The Three of Cups in reversed. Oh, trust. This is trust issues. Somebody will break your trust. Water signs. Or maybe you are. You will break somebody's trust. Parang, okay? May kukuha ng tulong. May hihingi ng opinion. Tulong, opinion. Okay? Kasi hindi nila alam kung paano. Or maybe ikaw ito. Hindi naman mahirap, hindi naman masamang humingi ng opinion or tulong whatsoever. Ideas. Okay? So what else? Strength in reversed. Judgment. Limitations. Lesson. Sa mga nakaugalian na. Sa mga bisyo. This is talking about health, I guess. Draining. Too draining. Six of Wands. victory, success. Some of you, you're in a state na parang palagi kang gawa. Pero na papabayaan mo na sarili mo. You want success, yeah. You want victory, yes. Okay? Pero kailangan mo rin syempre i-prioritize yung health mo. Okay? Health. In general. So, there. Okay. Next is Earth signs. Okay. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you sa mga nagda-like, sa mga nag-share. Thank you. Okay. Ooh, the King of Pentacles universe. How's your kaperahan, mga Earth signs? Let's see. What's for you, Earth signs? Taurus, Virgo, Capricorns. One more. Okay. The Page of Cups. Oh, the King of Cups in reverse. Somebody's in love. Ooh, the Queen of Cups. Somebody's in love. Some of you, meron kayong nakaka-mutual. Nakaka-MU. Oo, nakaka-mutual feeling, mutual understanding, mga ganyang bagay. Okay? Meron nagkakagusto sa'yo. Kung sino man yung gusto mo, pwedeng meron din siya something for you. Okay? Tinatago lang yung nararamdaman. Yeah. This is the Star. I'm seeing here some energies na talagang into you. Hindi lang isa, hindi lang dalawa. Okay? Hindi lang isa, hindi lang dalawa, Earth signs. I don't know if you're just ignoring this or isolating yung sarili sa mga to. Pero, yeah, they like you. Meron ditong gusto makipag-ayos. Okay, ang daming tao. King of Swords. Meron ditong parang sabihin nating makausap ka heart to heart. Like that. Anyway. So, ano tong King of Swords? The Six of Swords. Plans. Going well. You're in the right direction. You're in the right direction. Okay? So, what's with this Six of Swords? I don't know. Ano tong King of Swords na to? To be specific. Ten of Wands, yeah. Ang bigat na, ang hirap na, pero, yeah, tama pa ba tong ginagawa ko? Yes. I don't know kung may nakuha kong ganitong energy sa'yo kahapon. Pero, yeah, consistent siya. Just be consistent. Earth signs, be consistent. Yeah, just this. Okay? Makukuha mo rin to. Yeah. Ito yung gusto natin. Okay? Sa lahat ng mga ginagawa natin. Sakripisyo. Okay? Every day. O, diba? You're on the right path. What else for you, Earth signs? Judgment in reversed. Ending of a cycle. Yeah, ending of a cycle. What's with that judgment in reversed? Yeah, the Three of Swords. This is healing energy. Turning your back sa mga tao, sa mga sitwasyon na hindi na nagbibigay ng magandang resulta sa'yo. Okay, releasing your energy, releasing yourself from situations na hindi na healthy. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune. You're heading sa paganda. Opo. Okay, in general, whether sa love, sa kaperahan, whatsoever. That's nice. Yeah, the Nine of Cups. This is wish fulfillment. This is healing po, ha? Energy ng healing. That's nice. Okay, saying no. If you can say no, then there's, sabihin nating healthy boundaries na ginagawa ka pagdating sa sarili. So, hindi naman masamang humindi. Paminsan-minsan. Okay? Hindi naman kasi masamang tumanggi. No? Apo. So, yan na naman tayo. Anyway, so there. Yeah. Yun ang ating reading for you. All signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. And yun pong ating dalawang gustong pasuportahan pa na dalawang YouTube channel, Love Letter, and yung Animal Rescue ata yun. Rescue Animal. So, nandyan lang sa description box below. Yes. Asahan ko ang inyong support. Thank you. Goodbye.